Hi my little friends. Today we are going to learn lesson 4. This is called a 3-letter blend or a CVC blend, which is consonant vowel consonant blend. And in lesson 4 we will learn 3-letter words with a short A sound. Can you tell me what is the short A sound? That's correct. It's A. So this lesson we will see a lot of 3-letter words with a short A sound. Shall we see the 2-letter blends with A sound once again? Okay, let's do it. So we have ba, ka, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, qua, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, xa, ya, za. Good job! You remember everything. Now let's do a trick. Do you see the 3 dots here? One is green, one is orange, and the last one is red. I know you're a genius. So now let's read the sounds on the green and the orange dot together, and we will blend the sound on the red dot with it. Let's give it a try. Bat, bat. That's right. One more. Pan, pan. Good job. Now let's try to read some more words in the same way. Shall we begin? Okay. Remember, green and orange together and then blend it with red. Bat, bat. Fan, fan. Hat, hat. Jam, jam. Yummy. Bag, bag. Cat, cat. Van, van. Tap, tap. Pan, pan. Cap, cap. Now let's do this. Now we will try to read the words like we are singing. Try like this. Map, map. Ram, ram. Pad, pad. Nap, nap. Mad, mad. Sag, sag. Rag, rag. Rat, rat. Tan, tan. Dad, dad. Oh my God, you already know how to read 3-letter words. Good job, my little genius. Practice all these words till you know them very well. And you can also try to write them with the help of your mom or dad. And we will meet in the next lesson where we will see 3-letter blends with a short E sound, which is correct, E. So bye till then. Thanks for watching. Bye bye my little friends.